Bring it under the DS and do that. Now,
under the grain size department.
that's okay. Anything else other than that particular place? What we recommend is that area, not here. That area. வந்த இடத்தையே ஒரு வாகன கழிப்பிடம் இது பண்ண பிரதேசவாக்கம் போட்டு காணிக்க
And as I said, there are 5 other teachers, but another 1, 2, there are about 5 teachers who are taking for English, science and maths. At the same time, we are going to find out from the other teachers whether they are willing to come and work here. If it is so, then we are going to appoint more teachers to come up for these 3 subjects.
எல்லா தொகுதிகளிலையும் எல்லா பிரதேச செயலக பிரிவுகளில் அங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய அபிவிருத்திகள் வேலை திட்டங்கள் தொடர்பாக ஆராய்வதற்கான ஒரு கூட்டமாகத்தான் இன்றைய இந்த சந்திப்பு ஏற்படுத்தப்பட்டிருக்கின்றது. வேலைகள் ஆரம்பிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. ஒரு அடுத்த கட்டத்தில் 250 வீடுகள் அடுத்த உள் குடியேற்றத்திற்கு வந்தவர்கள் உங்களோட பதிவு இல்லாவிட்டால் அதை பதிவாக கேட்டுக் கொள்ளுகிறேன்.
Today, for your information, we are not prepared an agenda as such. The reason is, we thought that we will go through all the details today. So what happened, we are not going to the past. From the time that the committee is appointed, we are going to go through all the details to find out first of all, what are the incidents that have taken place. That is from yesterday morning onwards. And after that, we will be working out agenda and also plan what we are going to do because all of us in here.
අල්ලගන්න හැකියාව ලැබුණේ නැහැ සර්. මොකද ඒක හේතු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මේ යාට එයා පින් අපි දැන් තෝරු හොයාගෙන යනවා. නමුත් හුඟක් වෙලාවට අපි විශ්වාසයක් තියෙනවා මේක ළඟම ඉන්න කෙනෙක් තමයි මේක කරන්න ඇත්තේ කියලා. මොකද ඒක මෙයාගේ බෑනලා ඒක මෙයාගේ දුවවා මෙයාත් එක්ක වැම්පි දිරසක් ඇත්තේ.
And all those things will be published in papers tomorrow. And all those telephone numbers also will be published in papers tomorrow, and everybody will be aware of what we are supposed to do. Then these hotlines also will be established, and today we will get the telecom people and we will establish the hotlines as well. And after that, from tomorrow onwards, you must be very active. What I suggest is not to just discuss, and all these committees and the people who have been appointed, is start acting. Please start find out what is really happening and informing the committee. And if there is anything not happening properly from your side also, please check on that. And we must make sure that nothing happens in this area without being informed to us. And even inside at certain institution inside, if something is happening, that must be told, and immediately we must know that information that the reports and the voice. Then I think it is very easy for the committee to take that.
படத்தரப்பினருக்கும் பொதுமக்களுக்கும் இடையில குறிப்பாக இந்த நாவாந்துறை பிரச்சனைக்கு பிறகு ஒரு இடைவெளி ஏற்பட்டது என்று பொதுவாக கருதப்படுகின்றது. வந்த நிலைமைய நடைமுறையிலையும் கருத்தளவிலையும் மாற்ற வேண்டும் என்பது அவசியம். இவ்வாறு உருவாக்கப்பட்ட இந்த கமிட்டியில ஒரு பரஸ்பர கலந்துரையாடல் அல்லது பரிமாற்றத்துக்கூடாக மக்கள் எதிர்கொள்ளுகின்ற பிரச்சனைகளை பெருமளவில் தீர்க்கலாம் என்று சொல்லி நான் நம்புறேன். அதோட நீங்களும் மௌனமாக இருக்காமல் உங்களோட அபிப்பிராயங்களை கருத்துக்களை தாராளமாக சொல்ல முன்வர வேண்டும்.
After this circle.
So they
Yes. I have to go. Already the exhibition plan was finished. We can take my Bridging is required because but they have very small and you get about food doses.